Did you know that the loudest sound in the universe was actually completely silent? Well, the loudest sound ever detected in space or universe was near a Perseus galaxy cluster, and where a supermassive black hole created enormous pressure waves, and scientists calculated to be around 57 octave waves below human can hear. Well, that's the loudest sound we have ever heard from space because space is a vacuum and sound cannot travel through it. And don't think that space is quiet. Space is louder than you imagine and quieter than you think. Follow for more such mind blowing facts.